Hey, what's up, Amazon? I want to tell you about the MZOO sleep mask. Not only is this a great mask that I use myself, I love the packaging and think it's a great gift and want to highlight it for the holidays. So this is how it comes. Nice, maybe 12 inches right there, give or take. Maybe right that, perfect gift size. Good stocking stuffer as well. Nice sleek design. And then let's take it out. We have this beautiful wrapping paper, so it's already gift ready. And then the sleep mask itself, which is this wonderful soft material, this memory foam here, which is great because it really fits on your eyes in such a way that you don't have to worry about like it jamming or fitting uncomfortably. It's going to mold itself to your face and also your positioning, because you might roll around a lot where you sleep, so that makes it comfortable no matter how you're wearing it, when you're wearing it, whatever. And you just easily, strap it on like any sleep mask, and then bam, and it is dark. I mean, I hope I'm looking at the camera right now because I can't see anything. And I've got lights coming right at me for this video. Pitch black right now, so I could fall asleep right here. Beautiful. Look at the design. I love this blue, which, maybe isn't so important for you to wear, but again, as a gift and as a nice kind of item to have around your bed, it could fit with a lot of different aesthetics and looks. So I think that blue is really important and a great part of the design. And then also, if you were to give this as a gift, you have this wonderful bag. If maybe you don't want to have the actual sleep mask out, you can just put it in this bad boy, or even as part of a gift. It's great. And finally, you have these earplugs, which is a nice touch. Not every sleep mask comes with this, so this really makes sure that you can tune out any noise, cover any light, and just pass out and sleep great, or whoever you're gifting this to. So MZOO, can't recommend this enough. Definitely check it out.